In this video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can find promo code of Walmart. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can find the codes, if you guys are new to our channel one step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on for future promo code related videos just like this. So the first step is you want to search for coupon follow. Once you search for coupon follow, first option, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to couponfollow.com, which is its official website. And over here at the top, you can see the search bar. Click on it and search for Walmart. Once you do that, you want to click on walmart.com. And once you click on it, it's going to show you all the promo codes available for Walmart. And from all of this, you can scan or you can search for the one you like. Let's say I want to take this one from which I can get 15% off. I can click on show coupon code and it's going to show me the coupon code. Now I can just copy it, and during the checkout time on walmart.com, I can apply this code and get 50% off from anything I purchase. So that's how you guys can get promo codes of Walmart or find promo codes of Walmart. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.